Good day viewers and subscribers of DepEd tele-turuan. I am Sir Leonel M. Castro or Sir Neil, a mathematics teacher from Lazaro Francisco Integrated School. I will be your math teacher for this episode and we will study the lessons for Quarter 2, Week 1 in Mathematics 8 with the topic Linear Inequalities in Two Variables. Join me and let us look at the beauty, discover the wonders, and appreciate the value of mathematics. In this episode, we have the following learning objectives. First, illustrate a linear inequality in two variables. Second, differentiate a linear inequality in two variables and linear equations in two variables. And lastly, graph a linear inequality in two variables. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let us recall first what is a linear equation in two variables. This is an equation whose degree is 1. It can be written in the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b are not equal to 0. The graph of a linear equation in two variables is a line, and the solutions to the equation are all ordered pairs contained in the line. I know that you have already learned this in your previous lessons. This time, we will be dealing with linear inequalities in two variables. A linear inequality in two variables is an inequality that can be written in one of the following forms. Ax plus by is less than c, ax plus by is greater than c, ax plus by is less than or equal to c, and ax plus by is greater than or equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both equal to 0. Can you see now the difference from a linear equation? We will focus on that later. Let us look at an example. The total amount of 10 peso coins and 5 peso coins in a bag is more than 250 pesos. If we let x as the number of 10 peso coins and y as the number of 5 peso coins, we can translate this statement to an inequality in two variables, which is 10x plus 5y is greater than 250. Take note of the keyword is more than. That is the clue that the statement translates into an inequality. Another example. Thea ordered 3 boxes of pizza and 7 burgers. I bet she's very hungry. The total amount she paid was not more than 1,000 pesos. Again, the keyword is not more than. If we let x be the cost of 1 box of pizza and y be the cost of 1 burger, then the statement will translate to the inequality 3x plus 7y is less than or equal to 1,000. As we know, not more than in symbol is less than or equal to. You might wonder now, how does the graph of a linear inequality in two variables looks like? The graph of a linear inequality in two variables is a half plane. You can see it on your screen now. The line on the graph divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes. It is called the plane divider. The plane divider is sometimes a dashed line and sometimes a solid line depending on the given inequality. All points in the shaded region of the graph are part of the solution set of the inequality. We can now differentiate linear equation in two variables from a linear inequality in two variables. First, the symbol used for equations obviously is the equal sign, while in the inequalities we use is less than, is greater than, is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. Since the symbols used are different, their standard form are also different, as you can see in your screen. There is also a big difference in their graphs. The graph of a linear equation in two variables is a line, while for a linear inequality in two variables is a half plane. The plane divider is a dashed line if the symbol used is less than or is greater than, and it is a solid line if the symbol used is less than or equal to or is greater than or equal to. The solution of a linear equation in two variables are all points on the line itself, while for the linear inequalities in two variables, the solutions are all points on the shaded region of the graph and on the plane divider if the inequality symbol is less than or equal to or is greater than or equal to. These differences makes the both equation and inequality equally unique and interesting to explore. Bring out some graphing papers, pencil, and color, and I will teach you how to graph linear inequalities in two variables. Ready? Let us graph 2x minus y is greater than 4. Step 1. Replace the inequality symbol with an equal sign. The graph of the resulting equation becomes the plane divider. In this example, 2x minus y is greater than 4 will become 2x minus y is equal to 4. We replace the symbol is greater than by equal. Step 2. Graph the resulting linear equation using any method. There are several ways to graph a line. We can use the intercept method, table of values, or use the slope-intercept method. You can use the method which is easiest for you. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Let us use the intercept method. Solving for the x-intercept, we let y is equal to 0. So 2x minus 0 is equal to 4, 2x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 2. Therefore, the x-intercept is at 2, 0. Solving for the y-intercept, we let x be equal to 0. So 2 times 0 minus y is equal to 4, negative y is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the y-intercept is at 0, negative 4. In a Cartesian plane, plot the intercepts, connect the intercepts to draw the plane divider. Take note, use dashed line if the symbol of the inequality is less than or is greater than, and use solid line if the symbol is less than or equal to or is greater than or equal to. In this case, the symbol used is greater than, so we will use a dashed line as a plane divider, which means all the points on the plane divider is not part of the solution set. Step 3. Choose a test point from one of the two half planes. If the test points satisfy the inequality, shade the half plane that contains it. If not, shade the other half plane. Let us use the point 4, 1. Substitute the value of x by 4 and y by 1 in the inequality 2x minus y is greater than 4. So 2 times 4 minus 1 is greater than 4. 8 minus 1 is greater than 4, and 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 is greater than 4. This means 4, 1 satisfies 2x minus y is greater than 4. Since the test point 4, 1 satisfies the inequality, we will shade the half plane containing the point 4, 1. You can do that using a color pencil, a Crayola, or a pen. That is now the graph of 2x minus y is greater than 4. Take note, all the points on the shaded region is part of the solution set of the linear inequality. Is that easy or very easy? We will pause for a short break. Stay tuned for more discussion.